Welcome to Copart. Today we'll be learning about the benefits of using a third-party broker. Brokers are independent professionals who can facilitate the purchase of vehicles. Using a broker has many benefits. For instance, some vehicles may require you to have a business license in order to bid and buy. Brokers help by facilitating the purchase of these vehicles. Therefore, you can bid and buy vehicles that require business licenses, even if you don't have one. Not only do brokers facilitate the purchase of vehicles, some may offer repair services, transportation services, financing, inspection, and more. However, not all brokers are able to facilitate the purchase of every type of vehicle in every state. To find the right broker who can help you, identify the vehicle you'd like to bid on and place a preliminary bid. A window will pop up and prompt you to upload a business license or hire a broker. Click on Hire a Broker. You will then be taken to a list of Copart's approved brokers who can help with your bid or purchase. Remember that brokers are third-party members. When using a broker, you are purchasing through the broker and not Copart. Because of this, be sure to read and understand the broker's additional terms, including payment terms and conditions. Be sure to subscribe to see more Copart-related content and give us a thumbs up. To learn more, visit copart.com/aboutbrokers. Thanks for watching.